Why clean the toilet when you can just blow it up? Meet the members of our Prankers frat. Troublemaker, handsome, and rich boy. The test for handsome will be to steal a toilet from the women's bathroom. That's way harder than flirting with girls. You'll have to put in some work. Hey, that's our toilet, you thief! And now we need to get rid of the evidence. Let's blow it up away from civilization. This is gonna be loud. Whoa! What a huge explosion! Guys, did you see that? Long live the fraternity of Prankers! In order to become a member of our fraternity, you have to go through the first test. And not all newbies can cope with it. Do you remember Ben's first test? And his chicken? Our newbie is sleeping tight with his favorite rubber chicken. We are kidnapping him. Wake up, newbie! The first task is to get rid of the most precious thing you have for the sake of the fraternity. Can you do it? Oh no! Anything but my chicken! As you see, Ben never became a member. Here she is! What's that smell? Instant noodles? Oh no! Anything but this! Ha ha ha! We all remember why Rich Boy reacts to ramen like this. It was a cold winter night, and we were hungry, so we cooked the most delicious bath out of instant noodles. Don't fight it, you'll love it! We made this with 100 packs of noodles. Ew! Noodles! My eyes are watering! And here's the spa surprise! A bouillon bath bomb! Mix 10 ounces of baking soda with 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add 4 tablespoons of ground instant noodle seasoning. Add red and yellow makeup coloring. And some olive oil. Mix it well. Process 9 ounces of citric acid in a coffee grinder. Mix all the ingredients together. And compact the mass into a rectangular mold. Let it solidify for 24 hours. Take the ready bath bomb out of the mold and cover it with a printed Maggi wrapper. Who would like another serving of soup? The soup in the bath is almost boiling. A chicken bath is a pretty questionable way of relaxing, but there are no weaklings in our Prankers frat. You survived this noodle task with dignity, bro! Whoa, look at this! This dress reminds me of someone. Do you remember how pretty it looked on our troublemaker? Please stop talking about it. If you leave your clothes in the frat's communal shower, be ready to change your look. Leopard? Perfect! I've been dreaming about a new dress. Attention, everyone, get ready! This is the queen of the concrete jungle. Oh wow! This is Mr. Leopard. Look at his waist, hips, and elegance. We'll never forget this. There's a new challenge in the fraternity. Blow soap bubbles. Any random kid can do it. But try blowing bubbles with boiled eggs in your mouth. What do you think? Put halves of boiled eggs behind your cheeks and go! I look like an LOL doll. Blowing bubbles with eggs in your mouth isn't easy, but it's possible. Our prankers frat can do a lot of things. Hey, Bud, you are up next. Want a snack? Look, your favorite chips and Coke. But there's a catch. There should be 2 eggs in your mouth the whole time. Let's see if your mouth can move. It's hard to put in chips, but Coke pours out of the mouth and through the nose like a fountain. Forget this! It's not funny at all. Does anybody want to eat? No? Then I'll add some pepper. Achoo! Whoops! Sorry, pal. This is exactly what happened last time. It was another test. All right, we'll save your precious hairstyle. Get ready, rich boy. Now you are gonna meet a huge slime. Aw, this slime loves you. Look, it's hugging you so tightly. Guys, I have a bet for you. Who can smash an egg with one hand? But you have to hold it like this. Pinch the egg with all your fingers. Ready? Oops! Handsome did it! But our troublemaker is covered in a raw omelet. Anyone want breakfast? Hey! Do you remember that test with an egg for Rich Boy? Rich Boy finally managed to wash the giant slime off himself, and the guys prepared another surprise for him. But first, they pierced one egg with a pushpin. You are so clean! I almost don't want to do it, but the fraternity has rules. The new task is to walk on raw eggs without cracking them. Whoops! You failed! You'll have to get a punishment. An egg shower. Nothing can scare me after that giant slime. Eggs are almost fun in comparison. Do you want any gum? Ooh, I love foil. Do you remember Handsome? You have so much in common. Handsome was flirting with girls as usual. Be careful, there's a tray. Attach foil to a silver frame. Paint the handles of a plastic container silver. And glue them to the frame. Ouch! Handsome, your face looks hilarious. You left an imprint on the bottom of the tray. Wow, are you the Tin Man? But it's pretty hard to embrace this Don Juan. The members of the Prankers Frat have a distinctive feature. It's a mark. The rich boy has to have our mark. This is how it was with the troublemaker. Roll out polymer clay into an even layer. Cut out a circle using a cup. Attach a clay Troom logo on top. Bake it following the package instructions. Spray paint the piece in a metallic color. Cut the handle off an old Whisk and glue it to the stamp. The arms are occupied! Do it on the neck! Great! We'll just heat it up a bit. Fire is a great disinfectant. Ready? Turns out it doesn't hurt at all. Of course it doesn't. It's just paint. Yeehaw! I'm a member of the Prankers fraternity. Everyone should know that we are a true frat. Do you like my forehead mark? Isn't it too much? No, it really suits you. Hey, rich boy, are you ready to get lit? Did you like our prankers frat? Then comment below what challenge you like the most. A noodle bath? A kidnapped chicken? Or a blue toilet explosion? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new fraternity pranks from Troom.